Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing us something different and amazing, how to get Perplexity Pro account. Alright, so what you're going to do firstly is to paste in the link in the description button. So once you do that, you're going to come over here and sign in. Please sign in with your email. Alright, so once you do that, we are going to come over and let me try signing in with my email right here. So once I sign in my email, with my email, they are going to send a code for me to verify. Then you come over and click on claim invitation. This is the way you can get a pro account. So please follow my guide and follow it. So simple. It's so simple and so easy. You just click on claim invitation. Then you go to your email, check your email for the code sent to your email. Now I've put my code, then let me come over and confirm that. So you can see I've confirmed that. Then it says welcome to Connect, download Comet. Now you come over and download it to your system. Now this offer is only available for those using laptop, so get that right. So once you come over and click on this. Once you download it, immediately after downloading the installer, let's wait for it to download successfully. So as you can see, it doesn't take long, it's so fast and simple. Then you come over and click on start, you understand, start to install. Once you click on start install, then you're going to see, going to show you this format. You are installing the browser, that is the Comet browser. So guys, just follow this simple, it's so simple and so easy. Don't be in a rush, don't be in an haste to get out of this video, because I am going to be showing you exactly how to get this Perplexity account for free, pro account, and also how to make at least $20 referring your friend, right? You add me, I will show you everything. So you can see I have launched the app already. Then I'll come over and click on get started. So now that you've clicked on get started, you can skip this part. You can skip, so I'm going to do this later. So once I click on do this later, there's important step you need to follow, so don't make any mistake. So here I can come over and select any image of my choice and put in my name. So what you're going to do is you just come over and click on continue. Then you can now press click on start comment. Now note this, first sign in with the same email so that you can get this bonus, so that you can get a pro account activated. So they will send you another verification code. You go to your email and check the code and paste it right here. Then you click on confirm. So once you're done with that, you can see here get $5 for each friend you invite to Comet. It sounds so interesting and so amazing, guys. So now what we are going to do, now that we are done, want to make sure that Perplexity confirm that we are using the account. So let's come and search for something. This is the number one step. If you want to claim the bonus, you must search for something first. So now that's why you see me, I search for the King protest. So the King protest. So once you search for it, you can scroll down and use it for like 5 to 10 seconds. You understand me, right? So you can check that for the next 5 to 10 seconds or 20 seconds to confirm your visibility, that okay, you are visible about using this account. So guys, this is so simple and so amazing. Like, this is the best way of getting Perplexity Pro account. And you know what Perplexity can do for you, right? You all know that. And at the same time still earning with it at the same time. So guys, this is super amazing. So now the next thing we're going to do is want to let me explain to us how we can now get the pro account and how we can now invite others. So you can see $5 for you and pro for your friends. So if they sign in using your invitation link, they are going to get what? They are going to get a pro account, and you are going to get $5. This is so amazing. So I don't know what you're waiting for, but don't rush. Just hold on. Now we want to register for partnership, that is for affiliate. What you're going to do is you come over and enter your email and the password. So once you do that, you put in your password, then they will send a verification code to your email. You do that, you paste in the code, then you can start. So you can now set your profile. You put your profile image if you want to. Then for the state, put United States. If you are from Nigeria, you put Nigeria. Any country you are, you can put that. I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to use Nigeria. But while I'm doing that, let me come over and add our profile image. So once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to come over and select the country of the country where I am in. So you can just type and search for Nigeria. So let's do that right away and see how this is being done. So guys, don't get tired. This is super amazing. So I'm going to show you everything step by step how to go about this. So what you're going to do is you just come down and select continue, click on continue. So once you click on continue, then you come out, you can pass all this part, you can skip all these parts for now. This one is your payout, this is your payout aspect. So you can come over and continue on later, right? So this is so amazing, guys. This is so amazing. So now that we're done with that part, we're going to come over and check our profile and see how it works. This is the most important part that you don't need to skip, you must not skip. So now I'm going to come over and select, you can see how your dashboard, this will show you how your payment will go. So once you click on the overview, you can see this is where you can paste in, you can copy your link. After copying your link, then you can see the rewards. If you click on it, you're going to see. Now before I will explain that, now you can see this other one that I just click right here. That is, they give you offer that you earn $100 when you generate 10 leads. That is 10 people. So in between 21st of October 2025 to August 26, 2025. This is super amazing. So guys, just imagine 10 leads and they just follow this step. All they just need to do is watch this video. Once they watch the video and they use your link and they do the search, that is, as I come to search for the King protest, it's so simple and so easy. You will get your $5 and they get pro account, and when they refer people they also get their own as well. So this is the best way of making income. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share this video. Let others participate in it. See you all in the next video.